Hi guys, so I have a little haul here. I wasn't sure if I would share it or not, but mainly the office stuff I wanted to share. So I went to Marshall's and we went to Charm and Charlie. We was gonna go to Walmart or Target, but I've been to Target quite many times this week, mainly for a purpose, to look for certain things, a certain thing. And where else we want to go and we didn't. I wanted to go to Michael's because I had a 25% off additional any sale item, something like that. And I wanted to take advantage of that to get the storage stuff. That was my main reason for going out. But by the time I went and spent this and was tired, we were staying in Charm and Charlie's for a minute, I changed my mind. So I hope I don't kick myself later, because I did need some craft storage stuff. Anyway, let me show you. I think I'm going to use this stuff instead. Let me show you what I picked up from Marshall's. So again, we went to Charm and Charlie. I guess I should show that stuff first. And I did see 2 purses in there, but I said, you know what? Let me see what they have at Marshall's first. And so Mama actually saw the bag first. There was another lady on that aisle, and she was like, you better grab it and hit the little button, let somebody know you want it, because she might get it. And Mama made a good point that this is a good spring summer bag. It was kind of a hard choice, but not a hard choice. I'm kind of into the book bags. They had quite many of those leather ones. Yeah, so I ended up going with this, especially because of the price, guys. This purse was $69, or most of them. I think the lowest other one was $119, but it was a big tote. But I was trying to, I love tote bags because I can throw my stuff in it, and then as well I can throw my planner in it and so forth. And I thought this would be great for spring and summer. And I want it to not be so big because I can put it in the compartment on my bus. And so I think this will fit. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, that's my customer hold ticket. I don't know what she put on there. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's my phone case. And I wish I could use my gift card. I still got a gift card amount. But of course you can't use that in the store. And here's a zipper there. And then on this side, there's a pocket there. And a pocket here. And there's a pocket on the outside. So I love when it's pockets, pockets, pockets. That is a good price, y'all. And it must be not as much because it doesn't have as much leather. So that was great. She said they were eyeing that. And I told her about my channel, guys. I never tell anybody hardly in my everyday life. They have to like find me about my channel. I just don't. Even my coworker was like, Hope, you don't tell nobody? And I was like, no, because, you know, they only will know if they follow me on my Instagram and find me that way, because they're my regular Facebook friend. Anyway. But anyway, she even wrote it down and everything, because I was like, oh, she gonna forget. So I thought this was so cute, guys. You know it is gonna go in my mom cave. Let me turn on the lighting. Okay, so you can see more of the colors, and it's $14.99. Oh, Saya's in. I gotta get Saya. He's pottying, y'all. So this is so cute, guys. I didn't mean to pick that up, but I had to put that on my craft table just to have a centerpiece. Okay, so Mama saw some Ray Dunn. I didn't know Ray Dunn had these ones. Okay, I had to get Saya. Sorry, y'all. So these are the Ray Dunn, I guess the office collection. And Mama first saw a mug and she was like, ooh, she was excited. My back was turned and she was like, ooh. And I was like, what is it, Mama? And she was like, ooh, Ray Dunn. Because I guess I was looking for the mugs with the big font or the items with the big font. And she said, no, they have them in small font too. And I said, oh, well, I saw other stuff on other aisles with that. So Mom was like, I said, oh, Mama, I saw that stuff on the other aisle. And she was like, oh, really? And I was like, yeah. And I was like, I can't remember which aisle it was. And I said, I think it was this one. So she did went back to the mug aisle and they had some. She just overlooked it. And then I said, no, that wasn't what I saw. And so I went back and it was these items in the stationery area. yeah, stationery. So I picked up 3 of these pencil or stationery holders, and they were only $4.99. So that's usually what the mugs are. And I wanted, if you're a YouTuber, you're always editing anyway. So I picked up the one that said edit, the one that says think, and then the one that says focus, of course. And I say of course because I just signed up for Ruth Sukup. She has a blog, which you guys probably are well known if you're budgeters, or if you just know about her blog. It's called Living Well, Spending Less. And I think I joined her a long time ago when she had a lot of coupon and stuff on there. And so anyway, I joined her Elite Blog Academy. They call it EBA. And she talks about when you're writing on your blog to use the focus method, and she breaks up the words focus. So that's why I picked that one up. That was the first one I picked up, and I think the other one said dream. So instead of going to Michael's, which I still may, I'm gonna see how this works. I'm gonna save my receipt and getting the carousel. I do have the little utility pencil, whatever art carousel thing, and teal green, but it's a little not quite the same color, and I'm particular like that. So I think I just want the white one. So instead of getting that, I got these, and I think I'll put some pins or my pliers or wire cutters in one, just all my different tools, and put them on my desk and use this instead. So I'm gonna see how that works. I don't know, y'all. Also, they had like trinket trays, which I didn't get. They also had another one that had like 2 separate compartments where you could, for your craft desk, and also if you wanted to put like your makeup or whatever. But I only picked up this one that said write and stash. And the other one would have been really cute for makeup. No, the craft one would have been cute to put paper clips and stuff like that. But I was like, no hope. And it was $7.99, and I bought enough stuff. So anyway, then also I picked up 2 of these. They were $2.99, and I actually picked up some of these. I never uploaded that video of my fridge, some stuff I bought from Aldi, and I picked up 2 of these. They are actually closet bin storages, and I guess they're going to use them for the socks. But these are just like the ones in, these are just like the ones in your fridge. So I picked these up because I saw where someone used their Project Life cards in them, or some craft supplies. So if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, I'm taking it back. Then lastly, I picked up some of the Essie polish, and I don't have my glasses on. This is Peach Side Babe. They also had like a larger, not larger, a brighter orange. I didn't get that one. And then the lavender blue or something, I think I have that one. This one is like a pink color. These are only $3.99, which is a great price, because if you go to Walmart or wherever, this is Saved by the Bell. These are like $11. I don't know how much they are other than Walmart. I know Walmart's are like $11. And this, like, I don't know what this is called. This is called Adore a Ball. So like this white looking color. And I like Essie. The Essie, honestly guys, with 2 coats, maybe 3, and you use the gel top polish from Dollar Tree or any gel top, this stuff lasts longer than the gel stuff, of course. I shouldn't say of course, from Dollar Tree. You'd think the Dollar Tree stuff will last longer because it's gel. But okay guys, so lastly, what I got from Charming Charlie, I went in there again for a purse, because I just got a purse and it was messing up. Let me show you guys what I got. I got a bunch of papers over here. So this is the little purse, which I thought was cute, by Union Bay. If you guys have a shoe show, I think they're North Carolina based or East Coast based. I think they're North Carolina based, yeah. Shoe show, they have different purses and stuff, and I like to go in there, and I needed some shoes, and I got this little sling bag, and I was about to get 2. I'm my mama's child. I was about to get 2, and I was glad I didn't. I like the little purse. You know how you get your purse and they have the little corks, and you don't realize it's that way till you bought it. So anytime I went to the checkout or went somewhere, I had to make sure my purse was flat like this, or everything will fall out. Then also, but it was neat though to put on my back and throw. It fit great in my little compartment on my bus. But yesterday this just started unraveling, and I think this is a style. I think it starts with an R, because it was a girl in Charming Charlie, and she had a similar purse she said she got off Amazon, and I don't even remember. I asked her. I don't even remember what she said, because she says normally like $50 and she got it for like 30 or 20 something. So anyway, this started unraveling. I was so sad because I even got a matching wallet, and I'm so glad that I didn't get two of them. But hers was like a solid band, and this one is kind of like a twist and turn. I was trying to think of a way to save this, so if you guys know, I don't know. I think it's done. But I thought it was such a cute little sling bag. And I didn't even carry it, I don't even think, 2 weeks, guys. But anyway, back to Charming Charlie. Sorry. I went in there also mainly to get hoops. I don't know what happened to my hoops. They always disappear. So I went on ahead. These are my favorite to get. They're $6. And I feel like I'm getting so basic. And I'm far from basic. Basic in my style. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I like flashy stuff. Flashy. You know, that my mom calls it flashy. So these are the only ones I picked up. And then also, I love this little pencil case. It said girly stuff with the lashes, so I had to pick that up. And I guess the inside is, this was $8. So they had plenty of these. I think these were new. And then I said, well, you know what? I always see the little, let me open this up. They're little pill cases, and I never get one. So they had a really pretty purple one. That it was so pretty that I didn't even realize the saying on it. And it says something about, oh, when blank happens, you know, yeah, when blank happens, and it had an asterisk in it and everything. And I was like, I said, my mom, I was so mesmerized by the pattern and the color. It was purple and lavender and black that I didn't even see what it said on it. But anyway, this one says no bad days. And so a lot of times I forget to take my medicine. So it's not necessarily, I don't think I'm gonna divide it up by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which it says it on there where you can't see. But I'm mainly gonna use it to group the light stuff together. So that's why I got that. And this was $10. They had another one like a little watermelon that was on clearance. But so that'll keep me on, what was I saying? I didn't get that one because the watermelon one was just a little bit too, it was just too bright. And I kind of want my stuff to match, but it's still not matching. That's just hard for me to get accessories that all match. Anyway, so I also picked up some shades because I think this was in the area where it was buy one get one free, and we were misunderstood because everything over there wasn't. It was like jewelry, shades, because I did pick up like a little watermelon that was like this, that matched, that put my little sunglasses in. But when she said it wasn't buy one, that wasn't part of the sale. I said put it back. So that's why I have 2 of the same shades, because I needed some really bad for my bus, and so I can leave them there, and some for my purse. So normally I don't buy the exact same ones, but they were buy one get one free. So I think that's it, guys, that I picked up. Mama picked up, oh man, that would have been neat to show. She picked up like one of those little travel domes, and At Home with Nikki had a to-go coffee bar or station you can take with. I didn't ever watch that video, but she was telling me about it. And when she goes to visit my grandpa, I help my aunt with my grandfather. My aunt doesn't have all her coffee necessities, so she got that, and she got a little emergency. It was like another little dome. It was this little bag, kind of about this height, but it was more of a little makeup bag, and it had the emergency kit in it, like sewing stuff, rubber band, not rubber bands, hair barrettes, bobby pins, a sewing kit, I'm trying to think what else, y'all. A nail file. It was cute for $6. So that's it, guys. Sorry for talking so much in this video, but I wouldn't normally share this stuff, but I thought it would be neat to share this type of stuff. But well, I have done it in the past, but anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for watching as always. I already said that. Bye.